Okay guys, backyard scrapping here. Today we're going to actually do a kind of a little, it's actually a request video. Shirl Busman commented in one of my videos a few back, or one back, I don't exactly remember how far back it was, that she always hears, people talking about shot and silver shot, and, she knows what it is, but she's never seen any made. So we are going to fire up old silver here. I've got 10 ounces of powder of my refined 99.99 silver. I actually need some more shot for my silver cell. So we're going to put it in that crucible. We're going to put it in old silver, and then we're going to pour some shot. So Shirl, this one is for you. I'll get us all set up, and the only thing we actually have left to do is melt the silver, which it ain't going to take long. And then I do put ice in my pot. I just like doing it that way. I've always done it that way. So I'm going to get a tub full of ice and dump it in there, and then we will set everything up, and Shirl, we will show you how silver shot is poured. So we'll be back at you guys in just a bit. Okay guys, we have our first 5 ounces of powder. Oop, I don't want to touch that. Loaded into our flask. So we are going to go ahead and put that in old silver, get it melted up, and then we'll have to add the rest of the silver when this melts down. It only actually hold about 6 ounces of powder, but that right there will actually melt down to about right there. So we will be able to get the whole 10 ounces in there. It's just we just have to put it in at different times, that's all. So we're going to go ahead and get that set up, and in about half hour, 45 minutes, that'll be ready to go. So then we will put some ice on top of this, and we will pour us some silver shot. So we'll be right back at you. Okay, Shirl, here we go. We are going to actually go ahead and pour your shot so you can see what it looks like. Alright, we got to go really quick because this is going to get cold fast. So I'm going to get it out of here. And we got 10 ounces in here, and we are just going to let her rip. Okay, we got some that's got solid again, so we'll fire that back up. We'll put that in there, and it'll take about another 5 minutes to melt that back down again, and then we'll finish up. Okay, I think that little bit that got cold has remelted. We're going to have to do this pretty fast because that is a very thick crucible and it gets cold really fast. So here we go. All right. And there is a shot pour. So now, Shirl, you can say you've seen it all. Alrighty guys, we'll get back at you when we clean this up and show it in a nice pretty little bowl. See you in a bit. Okay, there is our shot. There is 10 ounces of beautiful silver shot. And that's how it's done. You just melt it down and pour it, and then when you want to make something, you weigh out what you want for whatever it is you're going to do, and there you have it. So that is how you do silver shot. Alrighty guys, have a good one, and we will see you all in the next one.